Hi friends, Jessie Bliss here with the Sartell Bliss team. During the busy holiday season, it can be easy to neglect your home, but the winter months can actually be a great time to do a few simple things to keep your home in top shape. Hopefully you can find a little time this weekend to take care of these quick things. Number 1, check your basement windows for drafts and cracked panes. It's easy to save on energy costs by making sure that your windows are sealed tight and that nothing is cracked and has gone unnoticed. Number 2, check the supplies around your home that could be helpful if there was a weather-related power outage or other emergency. Make sure that you have plenty of batteries, non-perishable food items, and blankets to keep yourself warm and safe in an emergency. Number 3, replace the filter on your furnace to keep it operating as efficiently as possible. Number 4, did you know that if you drain approximately 2 gallons of water from your water heater, it will eliminate built-up sediment that causes corrosion? This simple task can add years to the life of your water heater. And lastly, make sure that any decorative lights that you put up for the holidays are working properly before you hang them. Of course, anything that's frayed or damaged should be thrown away. Happy holidays and have a great rest of your day.